additional valuation methodologies. We've talked about price to earnings, price to revenue, DCF, and net present value. Let's talk about some new ones. And it's easier to introduce these new concepts now that you understand the other concepts from a valuation perspective. So let's kick it off with enterprise value to EBITDA. This one is very similar to price to earnings, except in the numerator, you include debt and you deduct cash, and the denominator is EBITDA and not earnings, okay? Now, enterprise value, which is the numerator, is market capitalization plus debt minus cash. And this one's actually used by a lot of investment bankers and also corporate finance departments when they're looking to buy other companies. Because in M&A or mergers and acquisition situations, the acquirer would need to pay back the debt. So they like to look at EV to EBITDA. Next up, we've got EV to sales, and this is similar to price to revenue, except in the numerator, you're also accounting for debt and deducting cash. And again, enterprise value, which is the numerator, equals market cap plus debt minus cash. And I repeated this on purpose. It's used in M&A situations, as the acquirer would need to pay back the debt. Price to cash flow. This is a lot like price to earnings, but is absolutely loved by value investors for obvious reasons, because value investors like to buy stuff that's cheap. Price to book. This is another one loved by value investors. And basically, price to book means what's the value of the company if you liquidated and sold everything?